Ever wonder how fragile that little green icon on your phone really is? That world of private conversations, shared secrets, and late-night confessions. It's all just data. Data can be intercepted, manipulated, stolen. The idea that our digital lives are secure? It's a comforting lie. Our privacy is built on ones and zeros, a language hackers know well. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not condone illegal activities. We're pulling back the curtain on 10 powerful Kali Linux tools used to compromise WhatsApp. Knowledge is your weapon. The more you know, the harder you are to exploit. If you're ready to see how deep the rabbit hole goes, let's begin. First up, the social engineering toolkit, SET. It doesn't hack systems, it hacks people. SET crafts fake emails, cloned login pages, and malicious links that look real, preying on your trust and curiosity. You think you're securing your account, but you're handing over your credentials. SET automates phishing, fake Wi-Fi access points, and more, making it easy for attackers to set traps. The strongest encryption means nothing if you give away your keys. SET is a reminder. Security isn't just about firewalls, it's about skepticism. Question everything, trust no one. In this world, the person trying to help you might be holding the knife. SET is a philosophy. Exploit human nature, not just code. The best defense? Relentless skepticism. Don't click blindly. Don't trust easily. Next, Evil Jinx 2, a man-in-the-middle attack tool. It sits between you and WhatsApp, intercepting everything. You log in on a fake page, and Evil Jinx 2 grabs your session cookie, the golden ticket. Even two-factor authentication can't save you. The attacker hijacks your session after you authenticate. With your session cookie, they become you, reading messages, sending texts, downloading photos. Setting up Evil Jinx 2 takes some skill, a domain, a server, and a custom fishlet for WhatsApp. But once it's running, it's nearly indistinguishable from the real thing. This is why you must scrutinize every link, every login page. Even advanced security is just another layer in a never-ending game. Evil Jinx 2 proves no system is foolproof. Stay paranoid, inspect URLs. Don't let your guard down. Beyond frameworks, there are custom scripts built just to clone WhatsApp web. These scripts create pixel-perfect replicas of the WhatsApp login page, complete with QR codes. Attackers lure you in with messages like, "Your session expired, re-log in here." You scan the QR code, thinking it's safe, but you're linking your phone to the attacker's session. Instantly, they have access to your account. No password needed, no two-factor bypassed. The QR system itself is exploited. The attack is fast, effective, and requires little skill. These scripts are everywhere, making this threat accessible to anyone. Convenience is the enemy of security. Always verify the source before scanning a QR code. Don't trust what looks familiar. QRL jacking targets the login with QR code feature. Attackers embed a real WhatsApp web QR code into a phishing page. You scan it thinking you're logging in, but you're authorizing the attacker's session. The attack is seamless. Scripts refresh the QR code in real time, ensuring it's always valid. This isn't just a WhatsApp problem. Any QR login can be hijacked. We're conditioned to trust QR codes, but that trust is misplaced. QRL jacking proves even secure logins can be hijacked. Never scan a QR code from an untrusted source. Paranoia is your best defense. Double-check every page. Don't let convenience cost you your privacy. Enter Metasploit, the hacker's toolkit. It's not about hacking WhatsApp directly, but the device it runs on. Metasploit exploits vulnerabilities in your phone's OS, browser, or apps. A malicious file or link gives the attacker a shell, command line access to your device. Once inside, they can steal WhatsApp data, install keyloggers, or control your camera and mic. Metasploit is powerful, but requires skill. In the right hands, it's devastating. Your app is only as secure as your device. If your phone is compromised, your privacy is gone. Update your software. Don't open suspicious files. Protect your device, not just your apps. Fisher automates phishing for everyone. It generates fake WhatsApp login pages in seconds. No coding needed. Attackers get a link, disguise it, and send it to you. You enter your info, and the phisher hands it to the attacker instantly. It's quick, dirty, and effective. Tools like the phisher make hacking accessible to anyone. You're not just defending against experts. Amateurs are a threat too. Be suspicious of every unexpected link. Don't enter credentials on unfamiliar pages. Vigilance is your shield. Black Eye is Phisher's advanced cousin. It offers more templates and customization, but the goal is the same: steal credentials. Black Eye's phishing pages mimic WhatsApp perfectly, down to the smallest detail. Victims enter their info, which is saved for the attacker. Often they're redirected to the real WhatsApp site, none the wiser. Phishing works because it exploits trust and curiosity. These tools make it industrial scale. Don't trust interfaces. Verify URLs. Stay alert to subtle glitches or redirects. Your awareness is your best defense. Shellfish brings phishing to your pocket. It's portable, easy, and works from anywhere, laptop or phone. Attackers run the script, pick WhatsApp, and get a public link. Victims enter info, and it appears instantly in the attacker's terminal. Shellfish, Phisher, Black Eye. They all make phishing effortless. The barrier to entry is gone. Anyone can attack from anywhere. Treat every unexpected login request with suspicion. Don't let your guard down, even for a second. Complacency is the real vulnerability. Hydra is brute force incarnate. It tries thousands of passwords per minute, attacking multiple services at once. WhatsApp's web interface isn't easily brute forced, but Hydra targets reused passwords across services. Crack one account, and attackers try the same password everywhere. Password reuse is the cardinal sin of cybersecurity. Hydra punishes that sin relentlessly. Use unique, strong passwords for every account. Enable two-factor authentication. Don't let one weak link compromise your entire digital life. Your password habits are your first line of defense. Wireshark is a network sniffer, not an attack tool. It captures all data on a network. Great for admins, dangerous in the wrong hands. Today, most traffic is encrypted, but metadata isn't always protected. Attackers can see you're using WhatsApp, when and how much data you send. In the right context, that's valuable intelligence. Combined with other attacks, Wireshark can capture decrypted data. It's the all-seeing eye, watching everything on the network. Use secure, private networks. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive conversations. Encryption helps, but vigilance is essential. Don't underestimate what metadata can reveal. We've seen the tools that dismantle privacy: SET, Evil Ginks 2, Hydra, and more. This isn't a how-to for hackers. It's a lesson in defense. Understanding the enemy is the first step to protecting yourself. Be skeptical of links, use strong, unique passwords, and never scan untrusted QR codes. Knowledge is your shield, not your weapon. Build better habits, question everything. The system wants you complacent. Don't be. The fight for privacy is daily, with every click. Stay paranoid, stay informed, protect yourself and those you care about. If you want to keep learning how to defend your digital life, subscribe. There's more to show you. Stay safe out there.